How to fix sound is playing only from the headphones but not from the speakers of your phone. So if you want to fix sound is playing only from the headphones but not from the speakers of your phone, then the first thing that you'll do is restart your phone. But even after restarting, if that doesn't fix your problem, then the other thing you need to do is swipe and open the control center, disable the Bluetooth icon. So Bluetooth might be connected to any other Bluetooth device or a Bluetooth speaker, due to which you cannot listen to the sound from your speaker of the phone. Now still, if the sound does not come from the speaker, then what you need to do is your phone might be stuck in the headphone mode. So if you see there's a hole on the bottom of your device that is used to insert your headphone jack. So use a small toothpick or a needle to put it inside the hole and gently move around the circles, which will remove any dirt or debris particles which are collected inside the hole. But the thing is, you have to do it gently. So try to remove all the debris or all the dirt that is collected inside and see if this can fix the issue. The next thing is you can see the speaker area on top of your device, right? So you need to just press this gently. Hold and press the speaker area there, which is on the top. After pressing the speaker area, check if this also helps. Now the last thing is, if the error started to occur after installing any application, then check the application which you've installed recently and uninstall the application and check if that issue is resolved. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.